Happy learning!
Let's listen to a story of the lion and the mouse. Let's start. One sunny day, a big lion was sleeping under a tree. He snored loudly. Roar! Roar! A tiny mouse was walking nearby. She didn't see the lion and ran across his paw. The lion woke up with a loud roar. He caught the mouse with his big paw. "Who woke me up?" he growled. "I'm sorry, lion," squeaked the mouse. "I didn't mean to. Please let me go. One day, I might help you too." The lion laughed. "You, a tiny mouse. Help me." But he was kind. "Okay, you may go," he said. The mouse ran away, happy and safe. A few days later, the lion was walking in the forest. Suddenly, he got caught in a big net. He roared and roared, but he couldn't get out. The mouse heard him. "My lion friend needs help," she said. She ran to the net and chewed with her tiny teeth. She chewed until the net broke. The lion was free. "You saved me," said the lion. "Thank you, little mouse." The mouse smiled. "I told you I could help one day." Moral of the story: even small friends can do big things. Kindness always comes back to you.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.